So I think the stock market is now in the stage of getting ready for the melt up to start in the markets. And I'll talk about all these indices. S&P 500, the S&P 500 market, this one right here, the Russell, the NASDAQ, and the Dow Jones, to me, look like they're holding here right now. There is no pullback. And I believe we're getting ready for an absolute face ripper rally coming out of this here. Face ripper rally. Melt up time is about to start. I'm going to share with you exactly why I'm saying that in today's video. Guys, make sure you grab access to that. See that book on the screen? Get free access to that, guys. First link in the description. Now, check out this. I've been doing some analysis recently, and the big thing that I started noticing, firstly, it was just how much a lot of these tech stocks haven't done much. For example, Microsoft. You can see how Microsoft really hasn't been doing much here for the last 3 months. Just holding here. Not dropping, but just holding here. And I'm seeing a lot of stocks like this where they haven't been doing much. Even Tesla. Tesla's been doing the same thing as well too, just holding here. This is Tesla here on the charts here. So Tesla's been holding here. So we're getting a lot of these. I'm seeing these markets in the same for a lot of these tech stocks, but a lot of these tech stocks haven't really been doing much. You have a look at Meta, same thing, sideways. But look at this weekly chart though. So we haven't really been doing much, right? I think gold's been taking the limelight out of this level here. But traders, I think we're about to get ready for a melt up here. I don't believe we're going to get any sort of correction out of this market here. I believe what we saw last week with the whole tariff situation is that's it. And I believe we're getting ready for some sort of big move to the upside. This pausing pattern here I'm seeing with a lot of these markets. We're seeing breakouts now with Apple as well too. So Apple broke out today as well too. There's a lot of movement there. Now, looking at these markets here, to me, I'm looking at this is the NASDAQ here. Check out with the NASDAQ. Look at this here. So the NASDAQ, what did the NASDAQ do? The NASDAQ actually broke down, and there's this thing called 50% momentum here. That means if you get a big bar like that, if 50% actually holds, then we get a breakdown, then we can see the follow through. If you watch my YouTube video, I've been waiting to see this pattern here. Now, we're not getting that, are we? No, we broke back above 50% here. So that tells me now that this level here, we are probably getting ready to do this, guys. Break up, and we're about to see some real ripper rally. Right, ripper rally. That's the NASDAQ there, right? But look at the Dow Jones. Look what the Dow Jones is doing. The Dow Jones has actually just broken past its major resistance level. This is major resistance here for all this time. It broke up. Look at all this here. This is just going sideways. This is not getting ready for a drop. We are about to see an amazing rally. A face ripper melt up rally is coming. It could be starting right now, right? It's absolutely crazy through here. All through here. As you can see. Breakthrough here. And then now we're holding it. And this is an all market rally about to see in these markets. It is just crazy right now, guys, right? Again, I was expecting to see some sort of a pullback. We didn't. And again, the thing for me was 50% of the bar. I wanted to see that. Now, let's look at the Russell as well too. Look at the Russell. What's the Russell doing? The Russell's doing what? The Russell here, that was major resistance. And by the way, let's go to the weekly chart. That resistance where it's at, that's the resistance there, resistance. And this is where we are right now. We'll go back to the daily charts. Right. Boom, 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 boom. There we go from there. Look what we have here. Resistance. Now it's all becoming support and we're holding here. You know what that means, right? If we continue breaking up from here, we are about to see a real big move out of these markets here. Because it just broke above this resistance level here and now we're just holding. If we start to break up to the upside, then we're about to see some really big moves coming out of the markets from here. And the whole thing about this, guys, is that, let me just show you this here, okay? Look at this here. right? So when I go through all these markets from here, right? Look at Apple. Apple is just broken above its high through here, and it looks like Apple's about to make a nice move back to the upside here. Tesla's about to break up a new high from here. Let's look at Netflix as well too. Look at Netflix. What's Netflix doing? Absolutely nothing, but just holding here, getting ready for another move up. Microsoft, same thing, holding here, getting ready for another move up. Now, when I say getting ready for another move up, guys, bear in mind what I'm saying here is that not tomorrow, right? Don't go there. Oh, it's about to go up. Let's take a trade today. No, don't take a trade today. No take trade, right? But we're about to see this here, right? Amazon. Look at Amazon. Nice sideways movement from me. eBay, same type of thing. Look at this here. And again, big weekly charts. Look at this here. Big weekly charts. What do we have here? Really nice. Up and down and up and down and up and down and up. Even eBay's getting ready to have a nice move here, right? Barber, Meta, same thing. Look at Meta. Meta's holding here, low. We've got at this level through here, moving average. We start to break above 80. We're about to see a big move. Even Nvidia, right? Even though it's been volatile, same type of thing through there. And Google as well too. Google's also making a really nice move to the upside as well too. So I'm actually seeing that AI bubble, point number 2, tech number 2 is on its way. Real interesting there. And bit of a side note, guys. What I've been saying is the one market that I have been saying that I'm in is TMF, because I see bonds coming down, and TMF also had a really nice rally to the upside. Ever since I got into it, which was down the bottom here, I'm up about 6, almost 7% on that through there. My options, because this is also an option trade as well too, my options up about roughly 25% so far, and I think it's just getting started. Again, but this is more like a longer term position here. But interest rates are starting to slowly come down as well too. This is the 30-year, the 10-year, everything's starting to come down. My TMF trade's really working nicely in the favor. And I think, guys, right now, there's a lot of opportunity around these markets. And I reckon that just by looking at these markets, the S&P 500, and again, the big thing for me, guys, is I wanted to see this 50% of the barrels holding here. We are no longer holding anymore. Same for the NASDAQ as well too. This is the NASDAQ. And once again, the Russell as well too. Look where the Russell is. Russell is right there. What's happening? We're just holding here, right? What does that simply mean? That simply means when I bring on my moving averages and we go through here, that simply means the Russell's been volatile through here. And it means we could actually start to see a nice move back to the upside. And once again, going back to the Dow Jones. Look at this here. This is the Dow Jones here. Absolutely just... Let's go back to this level, this one here. Look at this here, right? That's the point through there. We've broken up. So once the Dow Jones breaks up through here, we are about to see a face ripper rally. Face ripper rally melt up time. So traders, before you leave today, I want to give you an invite to apply for my John's Inner Circle coaching program. This is my top level coaching program, and this is for only serious people only. This group right now currently is only around 15 people, so it's only a real small group because I'm with you every single week in that small group. This whole group here, this John's Inner Circle, is about giving you exactly what you need to know on how to identify a really good high quality setup, trade management techniques, how I scan the markets, and so much more. Plus also every single week I'm doing live coaching sessions that help you with every single area that goes into becoming a good trader and so much more. So this is only for serious people only. This is my top level coaching program. It's only a real small group. But if you're at the point right now where you are absolutely serious about becoming disciplined and you really want to make commitment to becoming a good trader, then my Inner Circle may be a good fit for you. If you go to getjohnshelp.com, that's an application form. Go fill that out right now, and you and I will have a good chat on the phone, and I'll see where you're at, and you'll be able to see more about the actual coaching program. And if we're a good fit, then maybe we can move together from there. But if you're real serious about this and you really want to take this to a whole brand new level, and you want to be more than 95% of traders lose money in the markets, and if you finally want to start to crack into the top 5%, and even the top 1%, then this may be a good fit for you. So go to getjohnshelp.com right now. Apply for that. It's only for the first 10 people only. And I look forward to speaking to you on the phone real soon.